All right, ladies and gentlemen, I have a question here under statistics, and it says calculate the mean and the standard deviation. So we have age and frequency grouped in a table, and this is grouped data, by the way. So how do we find the mean and how do we find the standard deviation of the grouped data? Now, to do this, let's dive into the solution themselves. So part A, to find the mean, okay, we are going to, this is how we do mean, which you can call x bar, is given by the summation of f of x over summation of what? Of f. Now this is why I want you to pay particular attention, because it's quite important. So I'm going to answer the whole thing here in form of a table, all right, and I want you to follow me properly, because it will be easier if we answer this one in form of a table, combining with B as well. So I'll do this. Let us transform this one in form of a table. So we are going to have, let me draw the table first. So this is a table which we are going to make, and let's now start plugging in what we have. All right, so x, it means this is our x. So 10, 15, 20 up to 30. We have 10, 15. Let me use another color so that we tackle it nicely. So we have 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. Then here we are going to get the total. Then f is the same frequency, 5, 2, 3, 5, 2, 3, 1 and 4. Then we add d. Let's find the total. So what is the total? 5 plus 2 plus 3 plus 1 plus 4. And I'm getting 15. That is the total. Then fx is f times x. So what is 10 times 5? We get 50. Here we get 30. 10, 20 times 3 we get 60. 1 times 25 we get 25. 4 times this one we get 120. Then we add them again. So we have 50 plus 30 plus 60 plus 25 plus 120. So I'm getting 285. Okay. Then x squared, we are going to square these numbers that are here. What is 10 squared? 100. We go to 15 squared. Don't bother, you have a calculator. So 225. 20 squared, 400. 25 squared should be getting 625. Yes. Then 30 squared should be getting 900. So here, these we are not going to add them. We'll leave them the way they are. Okay. Our only interest is finding this sum and this one and that one. Then we'll be okay to go. All right, so we can now proceed. Let's find f times x squared. So this frequency here, we multiply by that one. So 5 times 100, 500. What is 2 times 225? So 225 times 2, 450. So 3 times 400, 1200. Next is 1 times 625, giving us 625. The next one is 4 times 900, getting 3600. We are also going to find the total for this one. All right, so we're going to find the total for this one. So let's find the total. 625 plus 1200 plus 450 plus 500. So I'm getting 6,375. Now that the table is done, let's go in now and plug in the formulas. So mean, part A, mean, which is x bar, is given by summation of f of x over summation of f. So what is summation of f of x? F of x is 285. So get 285 over sum of f 15. So we put 15 there. Then we punch. That will be our mean. So 285 divided by 15, 19. 19 is our mean. Then B says what? Standard deviation. So the standard deviation, the one we call SD, is just equal to the square root of sum of fx squared over sum of f minus mean, then we square the mean. Because we've used this table, that's why I'm using this formula. It's there in the paper too. This formula is there in paper too. If you want, you can check on the formula list. You are going to find it. So now, what is sum of f of x? 6375. 6375 over, what was the summation of f? Summation of f was 15. What was the mean? 19. So we are squaring 19. Then we say square root. Okay. Then we punch. So we can divide this one into there. So we can say 6375 we divide by 15. So I'm getting 425. So we are saying 425. This is still under the root minus, let's find 19 squared. Okay, 361. We are lucky. I thought we were going to get something bigger than this one. We are very much lucky. All right. So now find the difference. So 425 minus 361. It's giving me 64. So when we do that, so now we can say standard deviation is what? 8. That's all. And I hope you enjoyed the video. Cheers.